Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So first of all, I want to apologize. I just switched to my older mat because when I was using the new one, I noticed something because in the camera is struggling a little bit because see this one is having light colors and we are having both white and kind of warm lighting here. So and this one reflects the light very well and the camera it is easy for the camera to pick up everything. But with that one, the dark color absorbs a lot of the light and when I was trying to you know uh, switch it back and forth between the 3x lens and to the wide angle lens, the camera started struggling a little bit. I don't know if you guys noticed that one, but when I was doing that I was able to see that. So as of now I'm going to utilize this one for rest of the videos for this week. But I can promise you one thing: I'm just looking for another matte which actually has lighter colors. Hopefully maybe by end of this video streak maybe I will be able to get that one. So from next set we can utilize that. So this one actually looks beautiful. I know the people who actually told about this, they told this one is actually distracting because this one looks really good. So I'm happy that you guys told that, but I can understand your point as well. But let's see. Let me just try to get another one. Okay, so today we are going to unbox this. So this one is the Hot Wheels Premium from their Pop Culture series, and this one is Hot Wheels Tour Bus. And again, I personally bought this just for this particular font style and the color scheme going on for this. But I'm pretty much sure rest of the things are fully metal, just a metal block. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks. And this one I bought for 549, which is the MRP. I'm pretty sure this is going to be, I mean, like peg warmer kind of thing in maybe in couple of weeks, and you can get this for around like 250 or 300, like the mud cuts car, like it came last time. So just for the video purpose, and I did like the livery, so I bought it. That's it. So if you guys are new to Hot Wheels Premium or Hot Wheels in general, so premium ones has metal body and metal chassis, and that's the reason it is written as metal by metal here, and it has real riders wheels. I mean the rims. So that's what it means actually. Okay, so let me just put this aside. Okay, so here is the casting itself. Okay, so the first impressions are like this is very lightweight and. Okay, let's see if anything is openable here. Oh, they did do a lot of cost cutting on this one. Okay, let me tell you. See, the only good thing about this particular vehicle is the livery. That's it. So this windshield here, this is fully like uh, opaque plastic. Same goes here on the top. I don't think we can open anything here. I'm not able to do anything. So it is just stuck there, and nothing is openable, nothing is movable, nothing here. And the headlights are painted, the tail lights are also painted, and that's it, pretty much that's it. And so again, metal body, metal chassis, so it has some level of chassis detailing here, but again that's it. So the rims looks good, but it is, I mean, maybe for this bus it is suitable, and it has rear view mirrors. So it looks good because of the livery. If you remove this livery, it is not going to look good. Okay. So that's the only good thing about this particular casting. So think about it. This we are buying for 549, and you pick any measure at around that same range, 549. I mean that 599 or 549 range. It has openable parts, suspension, acrylic headlights. I mean, you can you can get everything you ask for. Only drawback on the normal edition is it doesn't have a metal chassis. It has the major it's a plastic chassis. But if you pick the 599 one, it has metal chassis as well. Okay, so with that said, let's weigh this casting now. So this one is actually bigger, but let's see if it surpasses Cool Combi. Okay, 77 grams. But honestly, when I'm holding it in my hand, it didn't look that heavy. Because of the size, I think it is gaining more weight. Okay, let's do a roll test now. Okay, doesn't roll well. It's getting stuck in between. So it is not good for playing with, because this is meant to be a collectible, and this is specifically targeted towards the adult collectors, and this is the, like, the starting stage for the collector series, if you ask me. Because after this you have RLC Elite series, a lot of things, right? So this one is like the basic version of those. But if you are just going to put it like this in your showcase, that is going to look good. But apart from that, I don't see much of a use for this casting. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.